What is a 3-on-6 dental implant treatment?
A 3-on-6 dental implant treatment is a full arch restoration that replaces all the teeth in one jaw using 6 dental implants instead of one long bridge. The final teeth are divided into 3 separate zirconia bridges. This design provides excellent stability, makes cleaning easier, and if one section ever needs repair, it can be replaced without affecting the rest of the bridge.
How much does 3-on-6 cost in Turkey?
At Dentafly, our 3-on-6 treatment starts from around £6,000 per arch, using high-quality implant and zirconia bridge. Premium implant brands such as Straumann or Nobel Biocare are also available for patients looking for the highest level of performance. Compared to the UK, where treatment can cost between £15,000 and £22,000 per arch, our patients receive significant saving without compromising on quality.
What is the difference between 3-on-6 and all-on-6?
Both treatments use 6 implants to restore a full arch, but the difference is, in the final bridge, all-on-6 uses one continuous bridge, while 3-on-6 divides the teeth into 3 separate bridges. This makes oral hygiene easier and allows individual sections to be repaired or replaced if needed, rather than replacing the entire restoration.
How long does the 3-on-6 procedure take?
The implant surgery itself usually takes around 2 to 3 hours per arch under local anesthesia. After the implants are placed, they need approximately 3 to 4 months to heal and integrate with the bone before we fit the final zirconia bridge. The treatment is completed over 2 visits.
Is 3-on-6 better than all-on-4?
Neither option is universally better. It really depends on your individual case. All-on-4 is ideal for patients with reduced bone because it requires less bone volume. A 3-on-6 restoration requires more available bone but offers separate bridges sections, making cleaning easier and future maintenance more convenient. After your 3D CT scan, we will recommend the most suitable option for you.
Who is candidate for 3-on-6?
The best candidates are patients with sufficient bone across their entire jaw, healthy gums, and good overall hygiene. Patients with severe bone loss may be better suited to all-on-4 or other advanced implant solution. We confirm your suitability after reviewing your 3D scan.
How many days do I need to be in Turkey?
Your first visit is usually 5 to 7 days, during which we place the implants and fit your temporary teeth. After 3 to 4 months of healing, you will return for another 5 to 7 days, so we can fit your fine zirconium bridges.
Can I get same-day teeth with 3-on-6?
In many cases, yes. If the implants achieve excellent stability during surgery, we can provide the temporary fixed bridge within 24 hours. These temporary teeth allow you to smile confidently while your implants heal. Once healing is complete, we replace them with your final zirconium bridges.
What materials are used for the bridges?
We offer several options depending on your treatment plan. The most popular is monolithic zirconia, which provides excellent strength, durability, and a very natural appearance. During the healing period, we use high-quality temporary PMMA bridges before fitting the final restorations.
What happens if one bridge breaks?
One of the biggest advantages of the 3-on-6 system is that the bridges are separate. If one section is damaged or needs replacement in the future, we only repair or replace that individual bridge, while the other 2 remain fully functional.
What aftercare do I get back in the UK?
We also have our own clinic in Wembley, London, where we provide convenient aftercare for our UK patients. This includes post-operative reviews, routine checkups, x-rays when needed, and ongoing support. If any warranty-related care is required, our London team can assist you without the need to travel back to Turkey.